my friend, thank you for stopping by. This is Ada Ro TV. This is a YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made my tuna salad from a bonita fish. This is a bonita or bonito fish, and this is very delicious when you make tuna salad with this fish. The first thing that you do when you get fish like this is to cut the inside here and the gill so the fish lose the blood. That's the thing that make it taste bad. So the first thing I'm going to do with my fish is to clean it, and then I'm going to cook it and season it, and then we're going to have tuna salad with a bonito fish. Stay with me. Mwah. We only need to rinse it. Okay, my friend. Now the bonita fish, the bonita fish, or any way you like to call it, is ready to rinse and to season. And we have everything ready in here, and we're going to proceed to season it and cook it. And this thing going to be so delicious. And if you don't know, but this water in here is very good for your flowers outside. Don't throw it in the kitchen because smell, going to smell. They don't smell right now because it's fresh fish. It's so fresh. They're still flipping, flapping, whatever you say. It's good. Now I have here yellow onion. You know yellow onion, sure you know yellow onion. And I have here one for decoration. I have black pepper. I have complete seasoning. I have everything in there. It's so good, it's so tasty. I have fresh garlic. And I have also the salt. This is sea salt. I don't know. A salt, and also I have water. And then we're going to begin to seasoning our fish and take it to the stove to cook. Hello my friend. Now we are ready to finish the Benita salad. They're going to be like tuna salad, and I'm going to tell you what I like to use for my Benita salad or tuna salad. I like to use apple, and I like to use onion, preferable yellow onion. I like to use capers. This give a very good taste to your Benita salad or tuna salad. Some people like to use dill relish, but I don't like to put things that is sweet in my salad, Benita salad or tuna salad. I think the apple is sweet enough to give a sweet taste to your salad. Okay, I'm going to use mayo. You all use mayo for your tuna salad or your Benita salad. And for sure, we're going to put a little garlic. I like garlic. And we have the fish already. They are now I'm going to break until it get very, very small. And now it's time for me to cut the seasoning. I'm going to shut up for a minute while I cut my seasoning and finish breaking the fish. So stay with me so you see what I'm doing. Finish the Benita Bonita salad or tuna salad. Now it's time to try, to taste it, to see how good it is. You want some? Come on. So, One more time, thank you for watching. If you like, please make a comment, share it with your friend, hit the like, subscribe, hit the bell so you can receive my other video. They are really good and also they're free. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.